Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Bietor Shower System. We're going to open it up, show you all the parts and pieces, let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get this open, we're going to just walk through all the parts and pieces. Obviously instruction manual. Trying to keep my puppy out of it. A nice little bag, believe it or not. This is a brushed nickel color, so I'm going to have to get this thing wide open here. But a beautiful shower head. I mean, this thing is pretty huge, as you can see, size-wise, and obviously has little rubber pieces here. This is removable, obviously, but really this thing will slide and adjust for, or not slide, but adjust for angles. So it can come straight down, or if you plug it into a wall and it needs to be angled, you have that availability as well. You'll have your, we'll call it a tube. It's for the shower handle. This will connect here. And again, very nice connection here, just screw in, as well as beautiful handle here. A lot of connection pieces here. I know the lighting's not great, but try to show you these real quick. It's going to hold shower head line, as well as be a connector. Show you the valve up close. Really nice piece, and obviously remove this, but really good looking. Creates high pressure system here. Regulating valve, all brass body inside. Nice pressure balance valve, all that stuff. Now this is about, I think it's almost 16-inch shower arm. So really nice. Just more hardware pieces. This will be your faucet, which is just really pretty. Once again, so this is a really good looking set. And then of course some gloves, some plumber's tape, stuff like that. So now I'm not a do-it-yourself plumber, so I'm going to actually have somebody else installing this. But to me, it's exactly what I'm looking for, like a beautiful system, really nice. This is great for all ages, if you will. The pressure regulation is great, good looking, and to me, a lot of value here, so worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.